My name is Tom Bernacki, and I'm gonna show you how to get rid of this thing, your bunion, how to avoid surgery, how to make the pain go away. So these are my top 7. So you got 7 tips to get rid of that bunion and get it feeling better. So stick around to the very end and you will see my favorite tip. So number 7 right here is my favorite. Stick around for that. I don't really have a bunion, but if I did, this would be the bunion right here. So if my big toe joint was popping out like this, here's what it would look like. When you look at this foot model right here, this is what a bunion looks like when the big toe pops out just like that. So it looks like extra bone growth, but you can see right here is a straight toe. Right here is a bunion. That's all it is. It just buckles. It's kind of like being knock-kneed. So you can see I don't really have one, but the more weight I put into it, you can see it spreads out just a little bit. So you have a lot of muscles and tendons on the tip right here. When you load a lot of weight, they can stretch just a little bit. That's a bunion. So right here, this is your bunion. Right there, that's a straight toe. This is a bunion right there. It's as simple as that. That's how you get the big bump. So I'm going to show you 7, you can't see right there, but 7 ways to avoid surgery on your bunion. Anti-inflammatories. These are great creams like diclofenac. You could even get these in gel form. Icy Hot is really good at cooling down bunion pain. You can rub it on muscles. BioFreeze is excellent. These are the creams. Anti-inflammatory pills. Tylenol is not an anti-inflammatory. It does help bring pain down, but it works on your brain and is metabolized by your liver. Anti-inflammatories are your Motrins, your Advils, your ibuprofens. They are digested by your kidneys. What they do is they actually bring the swelling down in your foot and your bunion. But the creams and the pills are not meant to be used for the rest of your life. So they are stopgap measures. If you need to get through an important meeting, if you need to get through an important work shift, that's when you use anti-inflammatories and creams. They are not meant to melt your bunion away. There are some videos online stating this. It's not true. Simply put the creams on when you need them, take the pills when you need them, but don't take them forever. You're going to blow out your kidneys. This right here is a bunion gel pad. So the idea is your second toe goes in one hole and your big toe goes in one hole, and this gel pad prevents your bunion. So this is what happens right here. So you can see right here inside your shoe, you're going to have your big toe protected right here, and your big toe is not going to shift over and go underneath your second toe, or your second toe is not going to go over this guy. So how do you put this on? Just like this. You put your sock on like this. You can see it's protecting. Nothing's buckling over. And then here's your shoe. You simply go into your shoe. Voila. That's the bunion gel pad. This right here is really good at protecting against ingrown toenails and your big toe rubbing against the tip of your shoe. So a lot of people, your toes are ingrown on the tip and they're rubbing. So this is how you put on this guy. Voila. So I know there's going to be a lot of comments, and make a comment if it looks like a toe condom. Kind of gross, but that's what everybody calls it. But it prevents rubbing against the tip of your toe. So same kind of thing. You put on your sock right here, and it goes right into your shoe. There you go, protected toe. Another great option, take a look at this, an insert right here. So here's how these work. When you put these on, There you go. Look at, so now my arch, you can get your finger right under there. So hold on, a little bit of a shadow there. Boom, there you go. Right under there. It's not collapsing quite as much. So the important thing to remember with this guy is when you're looking at it like this, normally my bunion would pop out a little bit more. I don't really have a bunion, but if I did have one, whereas right here, look, it would buckle out a lot more. If I was a very flexible person with a bunion, that makes a huge difference. We can use a ruler. In using the ruler, you can see every time the foot gets a little bit wider without the orthotic. So for best results, get one of these guys into your shoe. And they'll be in the link at the bottom if you do need to get one. Another great option is right here, zooming in. You can see my big toe would go right about here, right where this part is. So don't worry, I already pre-measured it for you, but getting my hand in here, you can see right here, that's where my bunion would be, right there. Look at how soft this material is, right there. My bunion is gonna be rubbing in a nice soft area. Where people make mistakes is they have a hard strap, some stitching, a problem with their shoe. So if this was right where my bunion is, I'd probably be in trouble. But these guys make great shoes, so they know to avoid that. So when you're getting a shoe, make sure your bunion's not rubbing in the wrong spot. You don't need the world's widest shoe. It does not have to be that wide. You just need a place that's not rubbing. So we just went over 7 things that can really help you get rid of your bunion pain and delay, if not hold back, surgery. So in order, my favorite things are getting orthotics, losing weight, great shoes. Those 3 things are your big 3. They really help. But then the gel pads are really good. The ones that hold both toes are the better ones if you're going to buy some. The sleeves are pretty good to put onto your actual toe. The anti-inflammatories, I could go either way with these. So stick with the shoe gear, stick with the orthotics, stick with weight loss, eventually get these things better. But here's the bottom line is bunions are a bone problem. Bone problems need bone solutions. It's kind of like bone-on-bone arthritis in your knee. It's either injections or replacing the joint. It's the same thing with a bunion. Surgery can straighten it, and over the years, they have gotten a lot better. It's not the crap results that you used to get 20, 30 years ago where studies were not there. But here's the bottom line about surgery on your foot. Only get it if you're in a lot of pain. If you're not in a lot of pain, and you're able to do this other stuff, you will not be happy with surgery. If you're in a ton of pain, you probably will be happy with surgery. Studies do show that if you're in a lot of pain, about 85% of people are happy, about 10% are only somewhat happy, about 5% right here are not very happy. So don't be an unhappy person. Only do it if you're in a lot of pain, and the odds are very good that it'll help you. So if this video helped you, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button. Let us know we're helping you because we're working really hard to bring you foot and ankle solutions. So let us know. Let us know that we're appreciated. Thank you.